Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to block a number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your phone app. Now here you can see a unknown number, and if you want to block this number, just tap here and then tap on this icon. Now here at the bottom you can see block option, then just tap here to block this number, then tap on block again and it's done. Now here you can see a icon, that means the number is blocked now. Also, if you want to block any contact, just tap on contacts. From here choose the contact that you want to block. If I select this and then tap on this icon, then tap on three dots, then tap on block contact, then tap on block again and it's done. Now the contact is blocked. Here you can see the block icon. Now if you want to unblock this number or contact, go to phone app again. From here tap on three dots and then go to settings. From here tap on block numbers. Now from here you can see the number and contact that you have blocked. And if you want to unblock this number or contact, just tap on this minus icon and it's done. Now the number and contact is unblocked. And that is how you can block number or contact in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.